Hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and today we're going to see what T. Allen Russell, a Legacy CNC customer, built on his Maverick 3x5 CNC system. Now, if you're looking into adding a Maverick 3x5 to your shop, this project we're about to see is one of the most popular projects you can produce and customize on a CNC system. Before we get to cutting, I wanted to point out something on the Maverick 3x5 system that allows the user to accommodate different part sizes and material types. We have the ability to customize table fixtures to incorporate T-slots, bench dogs, vacuum tables, and whatever type of table fixture you'd like to apply. It doesn't matter if you build the tables yourself or buy them pre-made. Here, Mr. T. Allen Russell attached this pre-made bench dog and T-slotted table from Woodpecker. He was able to quickly drop in some fences and combine the table with Legacy's low pro clamping system to hold the part in place. This project demonstration is a cutting board and will receive 3 machining processes to add all the custom features right into the design. The first milling process is surface planing. There are many times to where board sizes are either too short or too wide to fit through your planer, and this can all be done on the CNC. You may notice that the cutting toolpath is only moving along the length of the grain throughout the surfacing process. This is done to minimize tear out and to give you a finer finish so that the part requires less sanding. The second milling process is milling these fluted channels that gradually get deeper from one end to the other. The channels will act as drains, guiding liquid to one end of the cutting board while being used. This milling process of producing these tapered flutes in just a few minutes is a perfect example of why CNC can elevate your woodworking. How would you cut these tapered grooves evenly spaced along the cutting board surface using traditional woodworking tools? And how much extra time do you think it would take just to add that simple detail? The third and final milling process is cutting a pocket at the end of these tapered grooves, and this will finish the actual drain portion that will hang over the sink when using the cutting board. A big thank you to T. Allen Russell for sharing your cutting demonstration. It's amazing to see what a CNC can do to a simple project like a cutting board. Not only can you add customization, but also include key features to set your projects apart. If you're interested in seeing what a Maverick CNC can do for you, jump on over to our website at legacywoodworking.com. If you'd like to talk with one of our CNC experts, you can always call 801-491-0010. Now, if you're interested in seeing more cutting demonstrations like this, you can always click right over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check that notification box, and feel free to leave any comments down below as well. As always, thanks for watching, and remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.